The sun peeked through the trees. It was a beautiful day in Sparklewood Forest. Lily, Jake, Mia, and Noah were best friends. They loved to play in the forest. Today, they were looking for adventure. The forest was filled with colorful flowers and tall, whispering trees. "Look!" shouted Lily. She pointed to the ground. There was a shimmering hoofprint in the dirt. It sparkled with rainbow colors. "What kind of animal made this?" asked Noah, his eyes wide with wonder. The friends decided to follow the trail. They walked deeper into the forest. They were very excited to see where it would lead. The air shimmered with magic. The trail led to a clearing. There in the middle stood the most beautiful creature they had ever seen. It was a unicorn. Her coat was as white as snow. Her mane sparkled like a rainbow. Her horn, however, looked dull and gray. The unicorn looked sad. "Hello," said Mia softly. "We are the friends of the forest. Can we help you?" The unicorn looked up. "My name is Stardust," she said, her voice as sweet as honey. "My magic horn has lost its glow. I can't seem to make rainbows anymore." The children felt sorry for Stardust. They wanted to help her. "How can we make your horn glow again?" asked Jake. Stardust sighed. "Only a true act of kindness can restore its magic," she said. The children looked around the forest. They wanted to find a way to show kindness. Suddenly they heard a tiny cry. "Help me! Help me!" A small bunny was caught in a tangle of vines. He couldn't get free. "We found a way to show kindness!" shouted Lily. The children carefully untangled the vines. They freed the little bunny. He hopped away, happy to be free. As soon as the bunny was free, something magical happened. Stardust's horn began to glow. It was brighter than ever. Rainbows shot out from the tip. They filled the forest with color. Stardust was overjoyed. "Thank you, friends," she said. "You have restored my magic with your kindness." Stardust lowered her head. She let the children climb onto her back. Then she spread her wings. She took them on a magical ride across the sky. They rode over a shimmering rainbow bridge. It was a day the friends would never forget. They learned that kindness brings the greatest magic of all.